In the event that there's a stud that has been damaged and needs to be replaced, there is a Dayton stud removal tool, and it comes with an applicator. You put the removal tool in the applicator, line it up to the stud, hammer into place. Using your ratchet wrench with the appropriate size socket, you can remove the stud, the broken stud. Inspect the hole, thread in the new stud. Using a Dayton stud installer that has a ball bearing inside there, thread the Dayton installer onto the stud. Using the air wrench with the appropriate size socket to approximately 50 foot-pounds or until the stud bottoms out into the hub.